to make your symmetrical name design, these are the supplies you will need. You'll need a plain sheet of paper. It doesn't matter if it has lines. If you have plain paper, I would use that instead. You need a pencil. You need a watercolor marker like a Crayola marker. I'm going to use black. And you need either cotton ball or a paper towel or a sponge, something to put a very, very small amount of water on your project. So here's how we'll start. You may fold your paper in half, either the fat way or the skinny way. I'm going to do it the skinny way so I can stretch my name out, and I'm going to put my name all the way across here. So here's the fold line. Each letter needs to touch that fold. Now, if I have a hard time remembering that, I might open this up and then I can fit all of the letters of my name onto that fold. If you have a letter that normally goes below the line, just kind of squeeze that up into the space that you have. Now that I have all of the letters of my name, I'm going to connect them almost like you would connect letters if you were writing in cursive. So I'm just going to bring these lines up, and now that all the letters are connected, I'm going to fold the opposite way along that fold line, and now we're ready to put on the marker. So each letter needs to be traced with that marker, and after you are done tracing all of these letters, then we're going to use water, a very small amount, to transfer this watercolor marker onto the other side of the paper. So here's how that's done. You do not want very much water, so if you have a sponge that has a lot of water, squeeze it all the way out and then go all the way to the fold line, but not past the fold line. And once you have that all damp, then take the dry side, fold it over the wet side, and use your hands to press that. After you have pressed your name, open it up, see if it has transferred, and if you see some spots like this down here, you can take a little bit more water and put it just in those areas and fold again. And then you need to let this dry before you trace all of those letters. But now you can see the symmetry of the design, and I will let this dry, but then I will outline this and we'll show that before we do the next step.